Hey, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you Monday, May the 13th, and it's a good Monday, one of the better days I've had in a while. I'm really happy with the way that I've made some adjustments to my trading. Another green day. It's not a very big green day at all, only $160 in profit across the four funded accounts, but another green day nonetheless. So I'm very happy about that, and especially since today was a really choppy day, I chose my spots wisely. Also made an adjustment to my ATM strategy, which I want to talk about a little bit more. And then also on the two evals I traded this one Apex account up 1,800 on that account today. And then also my take profit account up 1,300. This is crazy. This take profit eval, I either lose $1,000 or I make 1,300 on it. Pretty crazy. However, this is the positive I'm taking away from this. I copy traded this Apex account and this take profit account. I only took 2 trades on the take profit, and I think a total of 3 trades across the two evals. So 3 trades on evals, and I took, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took 6 trades with these, with the funded account. So very low trading day. Really just looking for my spots. So I'm very happy about that. Looking at the NQ, what we see right here is a long entry off this bounce at 265, 267 area. I took a long here for $115. As this came back down, I actually had a buy order sitting here at these low candles here. Another winner there for 130, and then I had a short. And this was just a price action, understanding the market and looking at the price action and seeing that it's going to go short. I actually missed out on some of this. I could have taken more, but $105 there. So the 3 NQ trades I took today, all profitable. The undoing was the 2 ES trades were both losers. Looking for a long off of this 52, what is this, 52.48. And that ended up stopping out for a loss, and then also went short on this 52.43 area, and that ended up being a loss. So those 2 trades were not very good. And then I did take 1 oil trade for a small $60 loss. I am probably going to start abandoning oil. I have had some really nice oil trades, but I have had nearly a year of looking at ES and NQ, mostly NQ. And I haven't had that much screen time with the oil, and it's just a different animal. And I think I'm going to be just going to be very selective. And even with this trade here, what I was looking for is we broke below the 78.83 level, 84 level. We squeezed above it, came back, tested it, squeezed above it again, and then broke below, and then we retested it, and I thought we were going short. But see how we have this bounce, a V shape, bounce below. It looked like we're gonna bounce back lower, and instead we did this little, up down, and then we finally broke back above it. So it's just, I'm just not as in tune with oil, I think, as I am with NQ. So but in any case, I'm really happy with NQ the way I traded that today, but especially with this sideways. I was just very careful, waiting for this opportunity. And as far as my evals, I took advantage of this big short in the pre-market session, and then took another couple trades. I think I had 1 in here and then 1 towards the end of the day. Yeah, actually one of them was right here. I really thought about taking a long entry. It's right after this winner with my funded accounts, and I really thought about going long off this wick, and I was like, well, I've won some, lost some, I'm back in green, I'm just not going to take another trade. And I went in right here with like 2 contracts on my evals, and ended up with like a $400 winner. So it would have been a nice win had I taken that trade. I would have probably only traded 1 contract, obviously, with the funded accounts, but still. Very happy with that. And I want to point out something. I hope I can explain this. The ATM that I typically use is a 61 tick profit. Sometimes I'll use a 41 tick profit. And one of the things that I have done for so long, and it's one of my weaknesses, is I tend to take profit way too quickly. And a lot of my stop strategies have been that once a trade goes into profit at like $100, I'll have my stop moving to like 5 ticks in profit. And what happens I would say 80% of the time, what happens is the trade then comes back and stops me out for 20 bucks or $25 or whatever. And I was thinking about this over the weekend, and I said, you know, if I want to increase my average winning trade, as I've been talking about on TradeZella, let's just see if we can pull everything up here. If I look at TradeZella, let's look at today, because I think I should have had a decent day today. Yeah, see today, $103 on average profit and 97 on the average loser. This would have been bigger, but I did have one micro trade for like $9, so that probably hurt me somewhat. But in any case, if I want to improve this, I have to let my winning trades run. And so what I did is I decided to change the strategy to be, once we get to 26 ticks, like on NQ, I'm basically looking at 130-ish dollars. Once a trade gets into like 130 in profit, I'm going to move my stop to like 105 so that I net $100 at minimum on that trade. So that's like, basically I want to either stop out for a loss or get $100 or more. And if you look at this on every one of these trades today, I did that. Well, I can't show it here, but I just made that change, and it's testing me out a little bit because, man, I want to close those, or I want to move my stop up, and I'm just not letting myself do that. But like this first trade, 115 winner, second trade, $130 winner, third trade, $105 winner. Those are very, very good trades. And I'm doing the same thing on the ES as well, basically looking for $100. These were just losing trades. But, you know, man, if I just take these three only, you know, I've got a $340 profit day. So the goal that I have is to make myself take a larger win, and I'd rather move my stop up and have a smaller loss, like get out of a trade more quickly, but also hold my winners longer. So that's the goal. And like we just looked at here, you know, today 103.97, so that was a positive. Really like that. And then as we look at this month, where's that? So the positive I'm taking away here: Friday we had a green day, today we had a green day. Very low trading volume, just taking a couple of trades off of the levels that I'm looking for, and I'm just really happy with that. Again, I'm not looking for big home runs right now. I'm just looking to get my head back on straight, taking good trades, not forcing anything, and just having better trades as a whole. And I believe that's what I'm going to need to do to get myself back into another payout. So, and obviously, again, getting another take profit account across the finish line, getting it funded, and then getting some Apex accounts funded as well. So that's where I'm at. I'm really happy with today. So I want to just really try to continue with this strategy of, I'm either going to have a nice 100 or larger winner, or I'm taking a loss, so that I can improve this win rate. This has got to be larger. The win has got to be larger than the loser. I would love it to be in like that 1.5 area. So the average winner be 150, the average loser be 100. That would be a lot better, and it would help me with the trade win rate, so on and so forth. So anyway, hope that makes sense. But anyway, I need to sign off. I appreciate all you guys. I hope you had a great day. Very interesting to see how you guys did with this sideways action we had today. We have big news tomorrow morning. I think we have PPI. Is it PPI tomorrow morning? Let me look here. Yep, PPI tomorrow morning at 8:30. So tomorrow morning is going to be crazy at 8:30, and we'll see what that does. Hopefully that moves this market, and we get somewhere out of this little channel that we've been in. So. But yeah, good luck. Appreciate you guys as always. Thanks for using my codes, whether it's Apex, BVLS, TBTS, getting you that 80% off, and the one-day pass, obviously. And then Take Profit Trader code BCT gets you the best deal. They have an awesome deal right now. Take Profit, 40% off, lifetime, no activation fee. That is awesome. $102 gets you a funded Take Profit account. It's a pretty cool deal. So, but anyway, thanks for using my code. Appreciate you guys hanging out. If you're new here, feel free to like and subscribe. I think we're at 99 subscribers, which is not that many, but we're almost at that 100 marker. So hopefully we get there. Maybe by tomorrow we'll be at 100 subs. So definitely not any kind of a big number like these 1, 2, 3, 10, $15,000 thousand people subs, but I appreciate the growth that the channel has had thus far. So thank you. Anyway, Have a great night. We'll try to have another good day tomorrow and bring you another update tomorrow afternoon. So long.